The Arsenal board were blown away by Juventus' victory over Tottenham in the Champions League and have put Massimiliano Allegri at the top of their wish list to replace Arsene Wenger. The Daily Star say Chief Executive Ivan Gazidiz has taken note of how Allegri masterminded Juventus' win over Spurs at Wembley. Amid speculation Wenger will leave the Emirates. Arsenal's North London rivals had one foot in the quarter-finals of the Champions League after Son Heung-min fired the home side ahead last Wednesday night. The first half strike gave Tottenham a 3-2 lead, one aggregate, after the first leg in Italy ended 2-2. But Allegri made two changes after the break and his side got back into the game immediately as goals from Gonzalo Higuain and Paulo Dybala turned the tie on its head. The Star say key figures are Arsenal were impressed not only by Allegri's tactical decisions during the game, but also by the collective spirit evident in the squad, something lacking at the Emirates. The Gunners have also been monitoring Hoffenheim's 30-year-old manager Julian Nagelsmann as a potential replacement for Arsene Wenger this summer, but it is claimed Allegri has shot to the top of the club's wish list. Wenger's position at the Emirates has been under immense scrutiny over the past few weeks after his side lost 4 straight games, including the Carabao Cup final. The North London outfit, who failed to qualify for this season's Champions League, are 6th with 8 games remaining. Paul Merson, the former Arsenal and England forward, believes the club should approach Brendan Rodgers if Wenger does indeed move on. I don't know why he doesn't get the Arsenal job, Merson told Sky Sports. He fits Arsenal great. I think he now needs a change and needs to come back down. I'll be shocked if he didn't get a good job. I'd be quite shocked if he didn't get the